Everywhere around the world, investors are looking for more and better access to investment opportunities. But transparency and accountability and reporting are always a challenge. And of course, the world of investing is moving increasingly online. Both of you have technology platforms that are helping investors achieve these goals of expanding opportunities. And Karen, at AngelHub, you're doing it with a platform that allows more access to the venture asset class. And Alex, your platform is helping brokerages get out of the 20th century and into the 21st century with technology for all the same opportunities. I want to start with you, Karen. The AngelHub platform that you've built, how much do you think the venture asset class has been enhanced in Asia already by it?
I think today everybody agrees that entrepreneurs are revolutionizing the way we live. And they really want now, to participate into this digital revolution. So the aim is really to bring this new asset class to investors. So AngelHub is actually the first regulated equity crowdfunding platform here in Hong Kong to provide this new asset class to professional investors.
And how does the workflow work for an investor? I'm an active angel investor myself, always looking for new opportunities. How do I access the platform?
First of all, you need to be accepted as a professional investor, which means you have liquid asset more than $1 million. And we do like KYC, AML. So the interesting part is that actually everything is digitalized, which is quite a first actually here in Hong Kong. So we really bring the best user experience to the investor to access this startup in the most efficient way. And the thing is that when you arrive on the platform, you have access to vetted deals. Due diligence is very important when you want to invest into startups. So thanks to our community and what we have built with our other venture, AngelHub, is to select really the best startups to bring to the platform and for this investor to access all the due diligence materials that we have. So first of all, the startups go through our vetting process with a really deep questionnaires. And then we meet the team because people is really, really important. Right. And then after they go through also our investment committee that is composed of industry experts, successful entrepreneurs and investors. So with all this community, we want to bring investors the best deal possible.
And Alex, when you streamline the process on your platform, you're helping brokerages bring their clients better and new opportunities. And as long as Karen is describing, information and scope of diligence is so important. So how are you enabling brokerages to improve their business model?
So it really depends on the problem they have, and if they are in equities or cryptocurrency equities, it's a commodity. You can't make money anymore. Everybody's doing margin financing, and you need to have a fast system, cost effective. Now these systems, they have been going on for the last 15, 20 years. So it's very difficult for a startup to enter that market. And it's about the question of the access, the why. They can get access through our platform to customers they may not have access to, at a low level, at fraction level. And what you have unintended consequences of just ripping apart architecture.
Right.
You cannot do it. You cannot do it because there's a lot of unknown consequences that might make you lose your license or your client leave you. And so what we're trying to do, we're trying to scale on the side, if you like, right? We have a parallel architecture, it's cloud-based, and they can switch it on or off. We don't touch the core.
In all cases, though, you're both working to increase the size of the availability of investments, the number of investments that are accessible to investors, the quality of those investments that are available. You're both working to achieve that, but it's a big challenge. And Karen, I wonder, do you think that you can measure already how much you've expanded the venture asset class in Asia?
I'm not sure yet if we can measure it, but one thing that is also very important is education, because people need to understand what they invest into. For example, for this type of asset class, it's highly illiquid and risky. So one of our mission as well is really to bring the best people with the best experience to share and to educate people in Asia. So for example, Jason Calacanis, like famous angel investor from the US, will come for the first time in Hong Kong to do his angel university. So it's really okay, how can we learn from these more mature ecosystems that are Europe or the US for investors in Asia to be able to access this new asset class and to know what they get into.